2 minus 6 times 3 divided by 4. Can you solve this math problem within 10 seconds? Your time starts now. Your time's up. Now we are going to solve this. We are solving in a way like 2 minus 6, which will give minus 4. And minus 4 times 3 divided by 4. Minus 4 times 3, this will give minus 12 divided by 4. And minus 12 divided by 4 will give minus 3. So, do you think this is the right answer? But this is not. So, how to solve? We will solve with the help of PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. We will rewrite our problem here. 2 minus 6 times 3 divided by 4. Now, as we know, we have multiplication, division have higher priority than addition and subtraction. And as we can see, we have multiplication and division. And multiplication and division have same, or you can say same priority, similar priority. And in that case, we have to solve left to right. So first we have to solve this multiplication operation, which is 6 times 3. And 6 times 3 will give 18. So we can write 2 minus 18 divided by 4. Now we can write 2 minus 18 divided by 4. We can rewrite as 18 divided by 4. Now we will do here simple mathematical operations. We will take LCM of these 1 and 4. Their LCM will be 4, and we will simply do 1 divided by 4 will give result 4. So we will multiply 2 times 4 minus 18. 4 times 2 will give result 8 minus 18 divided by 4. 8 minus 18, this will give 10 in minus divided by 4. 2 times 2, that is 4, 5. So right answer is minus 5 by 2. This is the right answer. And subscribe us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.